Good morning, guys. You're welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. Without wasting much time, let's see what we have. Our usual PS, EURUSD and NAS100. So let's start from the something playing out the way as it is now. Was that okay? These are for the week, for the day, for the week, and has remained within a Monday. Analyze on this 3 days. So today, let's see what we can make out of the market and let's cost in the past. We have this major high, which is the stronger which we are expecting market to take out. But as we may have reversal pattern buying on daily. But you know that's long term. We've gotten this place to be taken, and I discussed flipped. And I mean to be break we've selected. And yesterday it played out exactly how even though we first have a spike, but we studied that pattern, and I believe this strong guy then price lower was a kind of reversal here, and we know that okay, what for the market to retracement into the long daily pull down that we've gotten the reversal that we're tracing back into. The reason why I'm being conscious last week of the month, and we have to be very, very careful. We are already at the month end left before the monthly candle close. So anything can still happen in the market as we saw yesterday that, okay, but being patient, being able to know what you are looking for, not running after the market, allow market to show you its direction and you following, give us the hedge to be able to capitalize on our projection on the market. We still allow the market to lead and we follow without the idea is very simple. You see what market is doing, you wait on the market and you let markets lead, follow, you react to whatever the market is doing. But based on your strategy, you have your own projections, you have your own expectations. So you stay in between, you let the market lead, then your own projection, you will still have it. So that's your own projection and expectation is what you use to trade. And based on my own system of trading, I use limit order. I don't run after the market. I just wait. I let markets to come and meet me. Then take my 1 to 2. I've been doing 1 to 5, and if you've been following my trade, you will know that all the zones that I do pick, they always replicate themselves in 5 places. Even the trade we had on us yesterday gave us the down trade is still going on now, which could have easily give us 1 to 10, but I'm okay with the 1 to 2 because I'm playing a statistical game. It's a numbers game, so I have my projection. I have what I want to win in 100. If I'm able to get a number out of 100, I remain profitable. I don't have to be worrying about markets, this, that. It's a long-term game, but if we are rushing and we have other we quickly want to rush in the market, it will take away your what is it called, your peace, your patience, the calmness that you need, and you will just be rushing after markets. Then you're looking for that move. If you get addicted to such attitude to be able to capitalize on the market moves in the future, it'll be so hard, and you would have get used to running after the market, pleasing. No. I like my limit order. 1 to 2 is okay, at least for now. In the future, we can increase it, but at least for now, let's work with the consistency. And we're working with that. Let's go on lower network. I have something that and yes, based on how the potential levels that I marked out, I said I'm expecting this internal structure that I marked here. Yes, the price I have first give us a and went ahead to tap into the structure, the potential structure break. I mean the TC that I was expecting here. So it tapped into it and it comes out. Immediately I saw that, I was like, okay, if the market didn't give us the kind of reaction, I was expecting market to kind of like uh kind of take this place before moving up. But since we have this first, then I see that okay, there is manipulation in the market, and I still head on to instead of running after the price, I let the price come. It will not hold again, but due to high impact news that came out yesterday, and like I've been saying, the purpose of news is to create manipulation, takes liquidity out of the market. So it's okay. It comes down, takes out the related into the internal structures that we have, and it uses it to send price upward. From what I just said, let's go to 1 hour and see what is going on. This is what I was discussing. This is just 1 to 2 trades. This, I know this level we're taking. Yeah, we've gotten our MSS here. Market structure shift on daily. We're going to send price higher. So give us 1 to 5. As you can see, this is 1 to 6, and we were I only capitalize on 1 to 2. Only capitalize on 1 to 2. So capitalizing on 1 to 2, kind of like might be somehow minute for now. I'm okay with it at least. So you can see if the market played out normally and we're able to, even if we have 70% trade winning in 100 with 1 to 2, we are good. We are good. The accounts will be, we have 140% gain, 140% gain on our accounts. So this is all day for market to play out. 5 within 1 hour, they tapped this has been fulfilled, and I'm good. I'm finished within 1 hour. My trade is out. Is it today? Waiting for, and we manipulated below the flip here, and we have this structure break as occurred. So what are we expect? Let's first erase all the annotations that we have. Let's pick it from 4 hour, so that at least 1 hour. Let's use 1 hour. Today is Thursday, and we can see some levels that I believe we can react from. So we still belong. Well, let's go on daily. There is a level I really want to pick out. I really want to pick out first. This level here, we have this but we have this level. That's the level I'm concerned about. I want to see where it aligns, because we have a shift, then we have this break of structure. Expecting the market is okay. Let's give our annotations. Major shift, major MSS. Okay. Then here becomes a strong low, the left side of the market again, since we've gotten a proper reversal pattern on our right side. So nothing to do with the left side again. We are moving toward we are moving to the right side of the market now. That's our strong low now, and here will be our weak high that we'll be expecting. But our weak high is not yet created, as we are still moving upward. Market still doesn't mean anything. So I would have liked we go on weak high that was taken. A strong, yes, this is a high that was taken, and this becomes this, I can term it many things. This is the structure break that give us the confirmation that, okay, the trend has shifted to the right side. So we can term it as our mitigation block. But let's try and see what we can capitalize on lower time frame. Okay. Okay. On lower time frame, here, I have this level here. Within the imbalance, we have another level. This is our strong low. I'm not expecting markets to break below this low again. So here is a major strong low again. Strong low, which I'm expecting markets above it. So yeah, this level too. Let's mark it out as part of our PDA. Let's mark it out as part of our PDA. I'm looking for where to actually take trades from. We have this level here. This can serve as our mitigation block. We have this other block here. But I'm kind of expecting some imbalance here, which this leg gives us. These are just the manipulation of yesterday's news. So this demand but the imbalance will be clear on 1 hour. Let's go 1 hour so that we can see what to capitalize on. The network is slow somehow. Okay. So we have it here now. Okay. This is our other block here. So is our other block. Okay, if I'm going to have any trades here, and we have this imbalance here, we have another imbalance. This is daily imbalance, but we can't term it imbalance because this daily leg is yet to be completed. But we have this level here. We have this other block here. This is three down. These three down close candles is our other block, but the range is too much. It's too big. So, but we can try and work within this something. But we have this 1 hour imbalance. This 1 hour value gap, and it's aligned perfectly on our, what is it called? On our selected, this one mitigation block, this one our 4 hour order block, then this one lie perfectly on it. Then can kind of be expecting reversal from that level. But what we're going to do is this. The whole range is our order block, and we can have this for the market fix. So what we're going to do is to have, let's go on 15 minutes. Maybe we can see something to capitalize on. Okay. I have this block here that markets can come and react from. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide the other block into two. We're going to divide the other block into two and take trades from the two levels. So we have to go on lower time frame. We can have this is the level. I'm expecting price to kind of get to this level before sending it up. And I'm going to place a double trade on it. So that's what I'm going to do. Select my PDA on 1 hour. Frankfurt has opened now. So for today, let's see. They'll just divide it into two. This is let's say approximately 35. What I'm going to do is first give it, maybe we can take it 15 and give a start stop loss. I will be good. Today is Thursday. So let's take it. I want to choose. Okay. Today is Thursday. We can expect bigger move. Okay. The next 22. We have so many high impact news today. Wow. So we can anticipate that the market is going to have a lot of what is it called? A lot of movements. So I like to select my range on 1 hour. At least I won't be worrying about if price should. I'm going to select this low as my no. Then we can have this level. It's my 15 again. So 16 pips trade. So that's how we're going to divide it. That's how we're going to divide it. Let's check the one 15 minutes leg that I saw the other day. So this is the leg here. Okay, perfectly aligned with that. I'm not expecting price to go lower 16. And we are good. This should be 320. So our 1 to 2 is complete, and there we have our trade for today. So there we have our trade today. Those are the levels that I'm expecting. So if we are going to pick our targets, today at the end of the month, and I'm expecting this market to kind of like move higher, make higher. So this level here, then we can be anticipating some retracement into these 3 legs here. So at least if we can have, because this leg that we have here, if it pulls back into this level, then we can anticipate that, okay, we are sending price daily, at least to give us fair value gap into all these levels. So now that will be our trades on EU today. Yes, price seems to send price lower. I don't want to counter my trade. That's already reacted from it. So I think I open the market. That's from above the Asian range. So it might want to take Asian range before coming, and I believe this level can send price lower into our zone. But I'm not comfortable taking it. Anybody can take it. We have little imbalance here. The market can retest range. So, but I don't want to go against my direction. Direction is moving upward. What if the market reacts from this internal structure? And we can see what is creating within what it has created there. We just to give myself room, because I don't have time to sit down with system all day and be monitoring price. I prefer my big range zones to trade from without having to worry about all the lower time frame manipulations here and there. So I'm good with this for today. So that will be my trade for today on EU. On EU, let's go back to daily. Let's try to see what we can capitalize on us. Okay, my new good friend. My new good friend. So let's. Okay, so I was discussing 1 hour. Okay, we took a trade from this level yesterday. Let's see if I haven't erased the trade. The trade, okay, I've erased the trade yesterday, which is just 1 to 2 trades. So, and we kind of like saying, because yesterday this was my strong low, which I was expecting the market to, which I was expecting it to hold, and it didn't hold. So we have this level. My liquidity void also and price higher, and it didn't hold. Then I was thinking, okay, maybe this other block is going to do that for us. But as we may have it, market said no. I'm going to wow. Okay, can we do other than to react to whatever market is doing? We don't have any. Like I said earlier on today, market is doing its thing. We can control the market, which we have our own strategy. We stick to our strategy. Whatever our strategy asks us to do in projection on the market, we act on it. We do it. Then if the market said, no, I'm going this direction, then we adjust what's, kind of strategy I'm using gives room to all of that. So if my strong low is invalidated, then I know, okay, market is looking for uptrend or capitalizing on long in the market, then I know, okay, what we should be looking for now is sell until we have a reversal again. Then we shift to very, very simple, just like I have it in my trade. Stupid. So just keep everything very, very simple. No matter how big your strategy is, you will still lose. So why all the paparazzi against not losing? But unless we will lose, then that loss is an indication that my expectation in the market has to change. So then we quickly adjust. So let's adjust our trade on this NAS and see what we can capitalize on. So I'm going to rush it because I started the analysis late. So let's take away the Asian range first. Let's erase what happened yesterday. But we're able, at least the trade that we had, they said that we have yesterday, is able to account for the 2 losses that we have here. It's more than 1 to 11 because short position. I took the trade from this level here. Let's see. I use this internal structure, this level here, this 50 markets. The 25, look at it, 1 to 12. Maybe we left it. So, but that's not how to trade because it's not every day that market will give us this kind of reaction. So, take what to leaving some money on the table is not a problem. Still going to have it. It's not a single trade that will make us the multi-billionaire we are aspiring to be. We're going to have to trade. Okay, let's start from 4 hours. So the market. So what do we have here? Okay, let's say just simply mark this place out as our total soup. So the kind of okay, have the flip. Market just flip it without any. As I just flip, then automatically this becomes a strong high, which market will be protecting now. strong Euro is doing. Maybe we have to quickly. Okay. Euro is still playing normal. Still playing his dangle system. So this leg here, this right side leg, this down moving leg becomes our this level here. We have an internal structure that can even send price even lower. So here becomes our internal structure. This level here, this other block was supposed to send price up, but it didn't. So that will be our reclaim order block. So should be our reclaim order block. That this level can still send price down and creates an internal structure again. So now it's here. So we have this imbalance gap. So these are the zones that I'm expecting markets to react from. But if we are going to have it, we go on lower time frame. We have to explore it. Okay, see, we marked out. To me, it has been acted on. This leg acted on it. Value gap, there is an internal structure that lie within it. So which this leg couldn't do that. Then we have this fair value gap. This one. So this internal structure that we have here below this flip now, with this mitigation block, this flip can turn to our mitigation block. So we have these levels. Then if we are going to have a manipulation in the market, this like this internal structure manipulation in the market to send price lower. So either we use this level here, claim order block also can be kind of thing that we send. So and it's numbers game that we are playing. So we have this, I can't be dealing with this much range again. What I'm going to just simply do is this, and this will move forward. So my internal structure, I can't pick that range again. Believe it has been acted on. These are all my zones I'm expecting market to react from. And if we're going to have this fair value gap that we have here, I won't have anything, I don't need to reference that I'm expecting reaction from. So it's all risk, but I kind of expect some reactions from them all. So if this internal structure toward this centered on, because there is manipulation here, at least if it's going to give us a perfect manipulation, if we want to take this liquidity out, I want to take this liquidity out, and it might not. This internal structure can sustain the price, send it lower. But we have this gap here that I believe might want to be filled. And this internal structure wasn't properly mitigated. So I have this reclaim order block. And if we have this level being touched, then automatically I'll be leaning towards and 100% pleased with. So let's see, we can have this internal structure. But for New York, I mean for London session, let's see 15 minutes. What 15 minutes are for us? Anything can happen in the market. Okay. So then, transition of this internal structure. So let's internal structure. So we are left with this reclaim order block. It's the one still standing, and this internal force. And this level here, this internal structure, perfectly line with the middle of our Asian, the 50% of Asian. So there is nothing bad here. And just copy. We want to have proper 1 to 2, then we can just have this level here. This I'm expecting this minor structure, minor leg to be protected. Expecting it to be protected. So we can take our range from here. Our shots from this level. 95. In fact, so sweet. Let's make it 90. 890. It's good. Then kind of 890, 90, 780 rather. Then we have a perfect 1 to 2 trades. So sweet, don't you think? So if you are kind of aggressive like me, I'm going to take this internal structure too. I don't care. I'm only playing numbers game. I don't have to be worrying about selection. Okay, this will be my major trade. And this internal structure too. Me, I'm going to take it. I don't care. It's not much games, just 1 to 2. So 1 to 6. So that'll be 600. Then around 2. Perfect 1 to 2 also. So that's good. This London session will give to us from these 2 trades. We have 4 trades now altogether. Let's see what London will give to us, and we can capitalize on. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day, and enjoy your trading. Use proper risk management. Don't cry. Anything can happen in the market. We are only analyzing, and our analysis should kind of, if you use proper risk management, you have nothing to worry about. You don't even have to do much in the market. So that will be all for today. Thank you. Enjoy yourself. And this morning, we'll come back New York, watch out to see how our analysis play out and what we can capitalize on during New York. Yes, thank you.